The Azud Helix Automatic DLP range offers a variety of configurations with a minimum number of components. The Azud Helix Automatic 4 DCL DLP equipment is composed of water inlets, outlets and drainage manifolds, three-way valves, and filters which are made up of two filtering elements. The filtering elements consist of a hydraulic piston, a stack of grooved discs, a monoblock support structure, and an Azud Helix patented device. During the filtration process, water enters through the inlet manifold and is delivered via three-way valves into the filters. The Azud Helix device, housed at the base of the filtering element, generates a helical centrifugal effect, which projects the heaviest particles towards the top of the filtering element, moves them away from the disc stack, and avoids the filtering element from clogging up rapidly. Solids are retained by the discs as the water flows through from the outside to the inside of the filtering element, which results in an in-depth filtration. An increase in the amount of retained solids generates an increase in the pressure differential. When a preset value is reached, the self-cleaning process is activated automatically. Once the self-cleaning process begins, the three-way valve activates a maneuver, which allows the water to circulate in the opposite direction to that of the filtering process. The disc stack is decompressed and the water is projected tangentially at high speed, releasing the solids retained in the discs and forcing them out through the drainage manifold. This equipment guarantees a continuous supply of water from the system, since the self-cleaning process is performed sequentially, filter by filter, without interrupting the filtering process. Azud guarantees the total and reliable traceability of all its equipment. Azud solutions include a comprehensive range of equipment which meets all of the agricultural sector's requirements. Thanks to its exceptional design and the technical excellence of the manufacturing process, the Azud Helix Automatic DLP range sets the benchmark for the market.